Why 70% IPA is widely used as a sanitizing agent. Increases evaporation time. 100% pure isopropyl alcohol evaporates faster than 70% isopropyl alcohol because it contains 30% water, and water increases the rate of evaporation. Water increases the contact time of 70% IPA and increase the penetration rate of the cell membrane with the bacteria. Coagulation of protein. 100% IPA is instantly coagulating the protein. Due to this, protein produce protecting layer which protects the remaining amount of the protein from coagulation. Bacteria temporarily stop the growth and physical activity of bacteria in which bacteria are not killed. In case of 70% IPA, the rate of coagulation of protein is slowed down.